bed. On the bed. You say you want to get kangaroo. That's the kangaroo. Yeah.
Kangaroo? Really? Hey.
I thought you were just going downstairs to get some food.
Oh, yeah, I got some, but I just heard something coming from the room. I just was making sure everybody was okay.
Oh, yeah, I ain't even gonna lie. I was in there waiting on you, and I heard some stuff, but, well.
So you heard it too?
Yeah.
I mean, it seems a little excessive, right?
I don't knock how people get down. So, like, whatever they do, you know.
I'm just saying, you don't think that's weird? Like, that's why I didn't want you to invite them.
I mean,
My ex in there having sex. Like, really?
I mean, it's not like you care. I mean, he's your ex, right?
I mean, I don't care, no, but it's still weird.
Hey, but I mean, they having fun, you know.
But it's kind of rude
know.
to be banging the walls like that.
You hear it? I mean, I hear it. But I mean, I know that's
They need to get their own room.
I know that's your ex.
This is our honeymoon.
I know. But
Like, seriously,
tell the truth.
Anthony. What?
They don't turn you on just a little bit?
No. That's disgusting.
That's disgusting.
Yes. I don't want to hear all that on our... I can't even concentrate on you listening to all of that.
Well, let me change your mind. So block that out. Just focus on me. I'm not going to say it.
Look, so I am there outside.
Hey, y'all good?
Oh man, I was about to go downstairs and get some water. I had put my shoes and everything.
Okay. Well, yeah.
I'm just gonna just act like I ain't here. Sorry.
Okay. All right. Refrigerators stocked. Plenty of water.
Hey man,
Gatorade. Get your electrolytes.
I'd like to thank you for this, man. This is bonus. No matter what nobody say.
It's our pleasure.
Huh? That's amazing. Oh boy, that's amazing.
Come on. This is.
Y'all want some?
No, we're good, Wayne.
Y'all sure y'all want some water or something?
We're good. We're good.
Stop touching the rims
No, we're
and
good.
stuff.
We're good. Y'all have a good night.
And keep it down,
No,
please.
Yeah, what's going on?
Good
I
night.
try to keep it down to keep me up. You say you want some water, baby?
Yes, please, in a warm bag.
Hey, think I'm done.